Hi everyone, this is One French Canadian, and today I'm here to talk to you about French Canadian insults. I already did a video on that, but it was not really an insult, you know, it was more like something funny to say, but now it's really an insult. So the insult of the day is face de bœuf. Face de bœuf means literally beef face. You know, like having your body with but your face is a beef. You know, the animal. It's really like this. So how do you say it? When do you say it? It's simple. When in the morning, one of your colleagues, French Canadian that understand French, you tell him, you really have a face de bœuf. And he really will look at you with the side, oh, for real? This means that, you know, it's not in shape, he had a hard night, he has a face de bœuf. It's like faces of beef, you know, beef faces, but it's face de bœuf. Face de of bœuf, beef. Simple as that, guy. Sorry, French Canadian.